In this video, I will answer the most asked freelancing question and how you can become a successful freelancer. So let's begin. So the first question is, what is the best platform for freelancing? Is it Fiverr, Upwork, freelancer.com or anywhere else? The answer is all of them. As a beginner freelancer, your goal is to make your service reach out to many eyes as possible. So create account on all different platforms so people can see you more, and not just limited to these freelancing platforms, but you can also use Facebook groups, Quora discussion groups, or even WhatsApp groups to promote your service. So there is no such thing as best platform. As long as you can get clients, you are good. The next question is freelancing worth it? Should you even try freelancing? The answer is it depends. If you are someone who has already found some success in your entrepreneurship journey and is making a six-figure income, freelancing is not for you. But if you are someone who is planning to start out, or who is a teenager, or someone in their early 20s living with your parents, and it is the first time you want to make money or start your entrepreneurship journey, freelancing is definitely the best way to start. The first reason why freelancing is very good is because you can start with literally $0. You don't need to pay anyone or anything. It is free. The second reason, and this is the best reason why freelancing is really good, is because of the experience it will give you. It will give you this experience of managing your clients, talking with people from all around the world, and overall, it will give you a good business experience, which will help you become a more professional, more valuable person. So freelancing is definitely worth it. The next question is, can we make a full-time income from freelancing? The answer is yes and no. Of course, yes, you can make a full-time income from freelancing. The top freelancers make around $500,000 in a year, but those are just the top 1% of freelancers. Most freelancers will make probably around $3,000 to up to $5,000 a month, which is good. So if you are planning to do freelancing, I recommend you put all your effort into your freelancing career until you have a stable income coming in. Once you have a stable income, you can expand your business. You can invest in stocks, cryptocurrencies, real estate, or have other form of business running. Yes, freelancing can make you a full-time income, but having just freelancing as your income is not good. Make sure you have multiple sources of income once you have a stable income with freelancing. The last question, but the most asked freelancing question, is how do I get my first order? There are two ways I want to answer this, one in a short version and the other in a long version. Okay, so let me start with the short version. The first way to actually get your first order as a freelancer is that you have to be good at what you are providing. What most people see freelancing is free money. Freelancing is not free money. You have to be good at what you are doing. Then you have to hustle, a lot of hustle. You just can't expect to create a Fiverr gig or an Upwork profile and then you will have a successful freelancing career. It's not gonna work that way. See, freelancing can completely change your life. It has the potential to change your life completely. So something that can change your life is not going to come to you easily. Watch what I shared in a video I made in 2020. After sending thousands of messages, I got 6 replies. I said I sent over 1,000 emails, which is right. And to be honest, I sent more than 1,000. I sent in Messenger, I sent in Facebook groups, I sent in WhatsApp. I was emailing these different companies to get my first client. And that is what it takes to be a freelancer. You can reach out to many small companies or maybe the local brands you have. Just reach out to them, provide them your service. Don't get disappointed when people reject you. Just keep trying and trying. And the thing you have to do when you manage to close a client is that don't let them pay through Google Pay or PayPal or Payoneer or Stripe. Let them open an Upwork account, a Freelancer account, or a Fiverr account, and let them order through them. Give them a discount so that they are interested. Your idea here is not to focus on the money, but to focus on your portfolio. Give them a discount, let them order, provide them a good service, and let them give you a good feedback. That way you build your portfolio. Even if you don't get a profit because you give them a discount and these freelancing platforms will charge you some fee, it is okay. At the beginning, don't focus on the money, focus on building your portfolio. So that is the shortcut answer. You have to be really good at what you are doing, And also you have to hustle, try until you close your first few clients. The long answer to this question is actually really long, so for that reason I already have created the videos. So if you haven't watched the videos, I will link the videos down below. You will have to watch them in order. Watch the first link, the second link, and so on. And after watching all those videos, you will get a clear idea on how to set up a good profile and how to market your service to have a successful freelancing career. Those are the questions I have for you today, and if you have any other questions, feel free to leave a comment below and I will definitely reply to your comment. Once again guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. It helps me out and also it will help you out. Thank you and bye. Peace.